All welcome to my channel. In this video you will see 4 accidents based on real-life events. Do not forget to put a like and write a comment, and we begin. Chapter 1. Mysterious Circumstances. The accident occurred late in the evening on September 10, 2019 in Texas. The 20-year-old driver, who had recently received his driver's license, was driving home from his relatives on the highway connecting Austin and San Antonio. It was around midnight and the road was almost deserted. The driver was driving a Fiat Special at a slight speed limit. At around 1 a.m., at mile marker 66 of the highway, the young man crashed into a parked semi-truck trailer. The exact cause of the crash remains unknown, but there are several possibilities. He may have fallen asleep at the wheel, been distracted by his phone, or seen the trailer too late due to poor visibility. Rescuers had to cut the young man's body out of the mangled car. Unfortunately, no photos or videos were taken at the scene, so the consequences of the accident can only be imagined through a game reconstruction. Chapter 2. Fatal Fatigue. On a clear day, with the sun shining brightly on the road, a terrible accident occurred at a remote railway crossing near Lexington, Kentucky. The truck driver, 45-year-old Jim Harris, who had been behind the wheel for more than 15 hours, was completing the final kilometers of his route. The truck was empty because he had recently finished unloading and was now returning to base. The fatigue accumulated over many hours of work had taken its toll on Jim. Feeling heavy in his eyelids, he reluctantly began to doze off at the wheel, losing control for a moment. Jim didn't notice any warning signs or signals that warned him of the approaching train. As the empty truck approached the level crossing, a large freight train approached at the same second. At the last moment, Jim seemed to wake up, but there was no time to react. The train collided with the truck, hitting it directly in the body with enormous force. The body instantly crumpled, and the debris flew around, covering the track and the surrounding area. Fortunately, the train driver and his assistant were unharmed, although they felt the force of the impact as the train gradually came to a stop. Jim Harris survived, but was seriously injured and rushed to hospital. This incident was a bitter reminder of the dangers of overwork for truckers and the importance of rest, even on long routes. Chapter 3. Intersection of Fate. On that day, October 1, 2023, at around 2 in the afternoon, a tragic accident occurred at a busy intersection near Chattanooga, Tennessee. A 23-year-old man was driving his Kia K5, speeding down a straight road. The sun was shining brightly and the traffic was busy, but nothing seemed to predict the tragedy. Kia K5 was traveling straight ahead at high speed when a gray Jeep Cherokee came from the right to the intersection. The driver of the Jeep decided to cross the road without noticing the fast approaching car. The Kia K5, unable to slow down or avoid the collision, crashed into the side of the Jeep Cherokee at full speed. The impact was so powerful that both vehicles stopped after only a few meters of sliding on the asphalt. The Kia K5 was almost completely crumpled in front, and the interior sustained significant damage that left the driver no chance of survival. The young man died on the spot. The driver of the Jeep Cherokee, a 34-year-old woman, was seriously injured. She was rushed to hospital, where doctors began to provide emergency treatment. Chapter 4: Deadly Risk. The accident occurred on December 6, 2023 in Cook County, Illinois. The 32-year-old woman was planning to drive to her friend's birthday party in the nearby town of Elmwood from her home in Des Plaines. It had recently snowed and started to melt, creating a thin layer of ice on the road, making any mistake potentially catastrophic. The accident occurred at around 10 a.m. on mile marker 15 of the Elmwood-Des Plaines Road. The woman was driving a red Hyundai Accent. She lost control and crashed into a black car that had drifted into the oncoming lane. As it turned out after the accident, the driver of the black car was not sober. After the first collision, the red car was thrown backwards and got into another accident, hitting the bus with its front end. The impact smashed the car's body beyond recognition. Unfortunately, the woman died at the scene before the ambulance arrived. Don't forget to share your impressions after these accidents and subscribe to my channel.